Delighted to offer this. Very rare. Amazing car really. These are just great value for money. Very underrated cars. If you're looking for a petrol SUV, not a massive car, automatic, four-wheel drive with all the toys, well, there isn't many on the market, but this one certainly ticks all the boxes that you could ever wish. Suzuki Vitara SZ5 1.6 petrol, 118 brake horsepower, finished in bright red metallic with a black contrasting roof and of course panoramic roof as well. Front and rear parking sensors including reverse camera as well. Allgrip, of course, four-wheel drive on the Suzukis. Great size boot, lovely and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. Plenty of storage in the back. Additional storage under there. Little compressor and the tyre repair kit. Beautiful on the bodywork all the way around. You've got these black wheel arch extensions. All the wheels have recently been professionally sandblasted and powder coated in light anthracite, so they're all like brand new, unmarked. Good tyres all the way around. Not long been replaced. Rear privacy glass. As I mentioned, it has got the two-tone black and the red. Really does set it off nicely. Again, a close-up of the front wheels and the front tyres. Front parking sensors. Beautiful across the bodywork. It's a 2017 vehicle. Of course, you're going to get the odd tiny stone chips, but no major scuffs or big scrapes anywhere. It really is a very nice example. Just a little mark there just on the front lower bumper, but the rest of the bodywork is just absolutely stunning. Of course, a final tyre there. Nice size SUV, easy to get in and out of the vehicle. All the door trims, great condition, plenty of legroom there. It's got this beautiful leather and Alcantara trim. Just a nice feel to that Alcantara. And of course the twin sunroofs, tilt and slide with the blind, make it nice and airy inside. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Electric windows front and rear, and again nice bit of Alcantara on there. Driver's seat in great condition, no undue wear. Keyless start, keyless go. Leather multifunction steering wheel. And again, just reminding you, Allgrip, four-wheel drive. With just 28,000 miles, 28,604. That's just done 28,604, so exceptionally low mileage for a 2017 vehicle. And of course, as I mentioned, great spec on it. Nice clear dashboard layout. All touchscreen. DAB radio, stereo. The volume control on there, or actually on the stereo with a slider. Bluetooth phone connection. Satellite navigation. Nice big clear screen. Smartphone integration. Reverse camera. Dual zone climate control. And of course the automatic gearbox with a manual mode should you wish to drive it like a manual. and the 4-wheel drive with the snow mode, or the sport with the diff locks and automatic selection, which again displays on the dashboard. Sport, mud and snow. So hopefully you'll never get stuck in snow. Paddle shift gear change. Cruise control speed limiter. Various stereo modes on there. Voice activation.
Please say the command.
Navigation.
Navigation. You can say address, followed by an address, or point of interest, followed by a category. You can also say commands like navigate to home, previous destinations, or stop guidance.
Cancel.
Ending speech recognition.
The electric tilt and slide sunroof. One touch. A very, very highly equipped vehicle. Folding mirrors. So there we have it, our amazing Vitara SZ5 with just 28,000 miles, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your small deposit, PCP deals or HP deals. Click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers just like this lady comes back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.